I chainsawed Surging Sparks, but I didn't decide this. It was
The Wheel of Doom!
We destroy wherever the Wheel of Doom lands on and get to open the rest. Today, this is the pack that will meet its doom. For a chance to be featured in our next video, give us a follow and comment your destruction method below. Let's quickly open the packs that survived.
I mean, it's alright.
Oh! Oh!
Wow! Beautiful!
A huge thank you to Prism Guard for sponsoring this video. If you want to keep your graded cards sleek and safe, head on over to prismguard.com and use promo code DEMO at checkout for 10% off all orders. That's pryzmguard.com. Now let's destroy this pack.
What's going on here?
Let me tell you something.
Fatality.